To register for Ansell Guardian Chemical Access, from the Ansell Guardian Chemical landing page, click on Sign In Register. If you have already registered, simply enter your email ID and password. If you don't already have an account, select Register Now. And you will be presented with this screen to complete. It's strongly suggested that you select this link in order to read Ansell's privacy policy. Then you can begin by entering your first name and last name. Next, I'll enter my email address. And then I will enter the password I want to use for this site. If you hover over the password, you will see that it will show you the different types of criteria you need to enter, such as you should have a minimum of 6 characters, it should contain at least one of these special characters, and it should be alphanumeric. So now I'll enter my password. Next, I'll enter my organization name, and if you're not part of an organization, you could simply type in something like personal, and then select your user type. If you do not see the type of user that best suits you in your role, simply select Other. Now you just need to enter your country and then your postal code. Then enter the text that you see in the shaded box exactly as it is in the white box labeled CAPTCHA. You also have an option to sign up for the Chemical Guardian newsletter. You also need to accept the privacy policy and terms of use, and then select Register. After you select Register, you will see this pop-up message informing you that you have successfully registered and that you will receive an email in order to activate your account. If you do not see the email, check your spam folder. Then when you go to your email, you will see this sign-up verification email, and when you open it, you will be presented with this account registration confirmation. Select Verify Now in order to verify the email address on your account, and now you will see this activation successful message. And when you select Continue, you will be brought to the Ansell Guardian landing page to sign in. Thank you for watching this registration video, and we hope you enjoy using Ansell Guardian Chemical.